Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to share with you how to join Discord step by step, because some of you has been struggling to get in Discord, how to get the NFT key and all that information, and it's almost free anyways. It's just to not have inactive spammy people, avoid those type of things. That's why we have Discord that works with NFT key, which is only a $4 at the moment. That will last you the whole year of 2022. Okay, you have 10 months for $4 only. Okay, and there's no gas fees because we are using Matic network. Okay, a Polygon network. There's only not even 1 cent fee when you do a purchase through Matic network. Okay, what do you get from all this? First of all, there's going to be weekly giveaways. Get on weekly giveaways on my Twitter. The link is going to be in description. Then you go to the Discord, join the Discord link. The link is going to be in description. What happens from there, when you get to the link, you will get a welcome message. Welcome message will have all the details. This video will be there as well. The link of this video, you're probably watching from there. So welcome message comes from collab bot. Okay, make sure it is collab bot, nothing else. Collab land. So there will be bot, and the bot ID will be 6372. Most probably it will have this sign at the end, a bot, verified bot. Some of them are fake, they don't have a sign of bot. Okay, one thing, first of all, go to MetaMask, go MetaMask Chrome extension, go to the first link and make sure it does have 10 million downloads. Okay, make sure it does have that much, and add that, just install it. When that's done, go to quickswap.exchange. The link is going to be in description as well. Quickswap.exchange is where you're going to add a Polygon settings. It says switch to Matic. For you, it's going to say that, and then when you switch to Matic, it will ask to add permissions. Okay, accept it, let it add the settings so you don't have to add manually. This is the easiest way to add settings, so you don't have to find a scammy setting online. So do that, switch to Matic network, then send $5 worth of Matic from your Binance account, withdraw using Polygon Matic network. Okay, send that $5 to your address. So your address is going to be the top one right here. Okay, it's asking to switch to Matic network, and when you switch to the Matic network, click here, copy it. Make sure you're doing everything on your PC. Okay, it gets much easier. Okay, click this and send to this address $5 worth of Matic, depending on what price it is. Right now it's only $5, and depending what you want to buy. If you want to have a premium access, this is very cheap as well comparing to what's out there. Okay, right now a NFT is listed for $130. This will last for next 3 months, only $150. If you wanna get access to all the chats here, down here, so there's a free labels right here, free, and there's another free airdrops. So this is why you're going to have free admin updates. So everything else, NFT section, charts, daily analysis, everything else comes with premium NFT because they are different roles. Okay, there will be free NFT is a NFT hunter, and this is key holders, and this is token holder, and this token holder will last you the whole year. So that's only $455 for the rest of the year, but $220, and it came out at 21 November. So those who are already in, they are in benefits right now. So if you want to join that way, you have 3 options. You can get in for free, hang around and see how it goes. There are 169 owners already and 269 total NFTs, and I believe when these are sold in next a month or 2, because the more YouTube grows, the more members going to come in this, and when that's done, there won't be many sellers stuff selling it, and this will easily jump a lot more, because when there's no one wants to get out, why would they? Because they almost go for free. This is almost free in my opinion, because this is the reselling. I'm not selling this. This is sold by other members. right here. If you see, I'm not selling. I don't own any of these NFT. You don't see me owning, otherwise it would have said sell here. I don't own any of these. I did buy from members to give away to others as well at the same time. And yeah, this is what you will be getting. A lot of updates. Before YouTube, I was making almost daily updates here, which I have been giving a lot of time to YouTube to post that for now, but there will be more to come, a lot more. So there's information that I posted, alpha group information. There are a lot of NFT projects are coming up. I posted in premium group, and there's a lot of things that I do when I bought something or things like that are being shared. A lot of economy data, dollar news, and things like that. There's still a lot of information being shared in the free group, guys. So much. So you don't have to pay a high amount if you don't want to. The free chat is more than enough active. There's so much going on. Okay, we have a lot of chat, a lot of things. You don't have to. There's always charts here as well. You don't have to pay for the high if you really want to. If you really want to get much more analysis of your coins, if you want to get more data or more chat on NFT specific channel where a lot more being shared. Okay, a lot more specifically when it comes to that. You can request analysis, which will be in requested analysis almost daily. You can ask, okay, I want this analysis, tag my friend Crypto Mechanic, he will do analysis for you. If I'm there, I'll do it for you as well. So there's always things going on daily. There's no holidays, no day off. We're always sharing stuff. Fundamentals are daily here, economy data daily here. That's what's going with the war and everything. You have educational materials right here, a lot of it from different sources. You have mini course here. You can watch how I trade the markets, how I see it. So there's a course here. You can practice your course here. There's a files which are written by Crypto Mechanic, handwritten, why interest rate matters and how to not FOMO and when to do, when not to do, what should wait. And Zoom course, 35 Zoom courses that are recorded with analysis and everything. You have little gem channel where we share whenever we have gems like low cap coins that we think we can do well. You can go there, come here and read the feedback. You have one whole year worth of feedback here. Read it, and if it makes sense to you, buy it. Buy the NFT. If it doesn't make sense to you, that's fine. Meme channel, we were doing farming, but yeah, not much now. Airdrops, we had a lot of airdrops. Yeah, that's what's happening right now. A lot of stuff's happening, and it is very reasonable price at the moment, I believe. The other alpha groups are very expensive to get in, but if you want to get information where you don't have to spend so much time yourself getting information, this is the place I believe you can get in. And yeah, it's pretty easy. As I said, you just have to install the MetaMask, get Matic, $5 worth of Matic, whatever the NFT you want to buy and whatever the price is. Okay, do that, and then when you come to here, you see your Matic balance here, right up here. Select Ethereum token, and swap it. Select $5. Make sure you leave a little bit, even 0.05. okay, if you leave that at the side, you don't need to swap all of it. Okay, leave that on one side, and then one second, what happened? Okay, I don't know what happened, why it's not showing up now, but yeah, it's loading. Maybe there's some yeah, it's showing now. So 1.2, so you're gonna leave 0.05, 0.03 Matic, and then swap. Leave a little bit behind for gas fees when you're purchasing NFT, and swap it, and then when you confirm the swap, just confirm it. And when you want to buy, so when you have the wrap ETH, one more thing you want to do is click on ETH. You know this plus sign, just add the ETH network. So I already have that, so click add, give an add token right here. Just add the token, that's it. You can see your Ethereum in your MetaMask that way. And come here, buy, and just select and just confirm the buy, and it will say your buy is complete. Sometimes gives error, try again later on. That's it, that's all you have to do. And to see it, there will be a tab which will be hidden tab. You will see your NFT there when you go to your profile. Okay, that's simple as that. And after that, when that's done, when you already probably joined the Discord you can join from the link in description right here, or you can from the below this video there is a link, Discord link, you can join from there. You're probably already in by now. And when you have you will see these things. So you see collab land join, you will see YouTube videos, collab join, click there, click let's go. Okay, it will generate a link for you with valid for 5 minutes. Connect your wallet, verify your wallet, sign in your wallet, and that's it. Okay, so when you do that, it will ask to go sign in, because now you're not giving permission to use any of your coins, so you can't get hacked or anything like that. You just giving Collabland is being used by Sandbox, many Axie Infinity, many big projects are using this Collabland. So that's why this is the top bot right now that's being used. So I'm already signed in. So click here, sign in, give permission, sign in of ownership, and that's it. That's all you have to do. And wallet connected, and you go back, you can see the free channels, you can see chat room, you see game. If you are having a free NFT, role granted by that. So that's all you have to do. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. If there's anything, any question, ask me in comments below, or you can always click on my name. And if you can see this Collabland channel, you can click on my name right here, and you can send me a message, and I will try to help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye.